Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create more versions of Super Armor and Mugen. Just like last time, or in video 4, we're still going to use the hit override state controller. If I can just find it, it is right there. Alright, we're going to use this one. We're going to make sure it's in state def -2. Let's see. Make sure all the attributes, or whatever you want to call them, are included here. There we go. We were just missing a few. Like this one. And this one. So instead of making the state number 0, we're going to create our own state diff just for this. Alright. You can number whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. Make sure you specify the type, whether it's standing, air, crouching, or U. It's like the same thing as null, but kind of different. Let's see. Then from there, in order to make the person with the super armor actually take damage, we're going to use life add. If you put 1 here, the life add will be triggered every single time the character's hit. However, if you use time equals 0, the life add only triggers on 0, which makes it more effective, and arguably way better. You can set this to whatever you want. Let's see. Or we could use the actual get hit variable. There we go. Then after this, we're going to put control set equals 1 right here, so that way our character doesn't get stuck in this state and can still move. Alright, now we're going to test it. Yeah, there we go. As you can see, the Kung Fu Man on the left doesn't have any super armor. The one on the right, however, does. I think I forgot something. Yep, hang on a second. Let's see. Oh, yep, I forgot to set it to the right state number. I set mine to 777. Let's see. Yep, there we go. It works now. So, as you can see, Kung Fu Man has complete super armor now. He can actually walk through attacks without going into other states. However, he always does this, so we'll have to specify whenever he's blocking or jumping, because stuff like that will happen. And he can get stuck in loops because control equals 1. It does work, however. I think I forgot to set this to -1. Oh, yep, that's right. I have to put minus right here. Alright. Now things should work normally. And as you can see, Kung Fu Man now takes normal damage while also still having super armor. However, we can also fix that so that when he's blocking, he's actually blocking. Let's see. Instead of 1, we put when state number does not equal 120. No, we can leave it like this for now. Alright, let's try again. Let's see. What state number is he in? He is in... Or no, the other one. Other one is in 20. Nope, he's in 130. He can still die too, by the way. Let's see, which states are used for blocking again? I'm pretty sure it's like 130 through 140 or something like that. But yep. Let's try one more time. This time, when he's blocking, he shouldn't have super armor. Yep, there we go. It's not perfect, but it's something. It might just be due to where the positioning is. Alright, now that that's fixed, you can also make it so that whenever he's jumping and gets hit, he doesn't just go flying off screen. So instead, what we do here to end this state, we put change state right here, and depending on what state type he's in, whether it's standing, air, or crouching, we change the state number. So, nope, state, what we do, state type equals S, it'll change his state to 0. Or actually, we don't even need control set right here now that I think about it. If it's already right here. Right, that's for S. Then if you want, you can just copy this and paste it 2 more times. If state type equals A, then he goes into state 50 and comes back down. If state type equals C or crouching, wait a minute. Actually, hang on, let me open one more thing. I don't exactly remember what that part was. We can still leave it at 0. I guess that works. Yeah, that works. Alright, there we go. Let's see what happens when he jumps. Yep. As you can see, now when he's jumping, his super armor no longer makes him spaz out. Don't know if that'd be the right word to use for this, though. Let's see. The blocking is still a little messed up. Let's see, what state is he in? Since that's the case, I know one person was asking in the comments, how can I give attack super armor? Let's see if they have them right here. Hmm. Hmm. Huh. Nope, I don't think they both have super armor. Probably because it only activates when he gets hit. Huh. Hmm. Let's see. We could add move type equals A here to give us attack super armor. Hopefully. Let's see if this actually works though. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see how this will work. I mean, yep, they both do have super armor during their attacks. It's not perfect, but it's still something. It just depends on who comes up first. Hmm. Yep, that works. Well, that was one more super armor method to help everyone out. The next video will be about speed and animations, and how you can make your attacks come out in one frame. Stay tuned for the next video. Goodbye.